guys, what is up? My name is Kate. For those of y'all that don't know me, if you do, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you guys today. It has been a little bit of a minute. I'm sorry about that. Totally my fault, but I've just had a lot of stuff going on. I'm here today to catch up with you guys and kind of show you guys a few things that I'm absolutely obsessed with lately. I have stuff from Belk, Nastygal, Francesca's, some makeup products, the shoes that you guys should snag, and all of these things are very affordable from when I got them. So I'm going to link everything that I can for you guys so you guys can find out how much I spent on everything and hopefully grab some of your own, because you guys know I don't like to spend a ton of money. I like to stay budget friendly and still be able to dress really cute. So if you guys are interested, continue watching and let's get into the video. I'm like thinking, should I start head to toe or like toe to head or like what? I think I'm gonna start head to toe. So let's start with hats. You guys know I'm obsessed with hats. I love these wide brimmed ones. I think I got this one from Francesca's and it's really, really cute. But I have a white hat from Amazon that I love and I got it for $16 and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I think it is so pretty. I love the cheetah print belt on it. It literally can dress up any outfit, and I really wanted a white hat, but if you're not into the white hat style, there's so many colors on Amazon that you can snag and dress up any outfit. So that's my first little piece. Next thing, let's move into jewelry. So you guys know in my November favorites, I showed you a couple pieces of jewelry that I'm obsessed with, but I'm going to show you little bits of something else this time. So first of all, let's start with something that's just kind of random, but I'm absolutely obsessed with. I'm still in the star print trend. I love anything print, but these earrings are just big stars and they kind of look like hoops, but they just slide in like that, so they make a full star. And they're just so cute. They're kind of big, so I have caught them on a few things, but they're very, very lightweight. And I think I got these from Nastygal for $3. Sorry if Mia's being loud behind me, but she's like, what's going on, Mom? So that's the first jewelry item that I'm going to talk about. The next thing I'm going to talk about are these really cute mini hoop earrings. I've been wanting to get on that trend of like the gold solid hoops for a while, but I'm just not really like a solid gold kind of person. I kind of like a little bit of texture. So I found these little hoops on Loft for, I think I got them on sale for like $7 or $8. They retail for $34.50 and they come with 3 different pairs. I'm wearing like the rose gold ones right now, but I'm obsessed with these like little black ones. I just think they're so cute. They're going to dress up an outfit without it just being that solid gold, so I'm definitely a fan. I love the size of them. I still think I want to get some like Huggie ones, but I really like how these ones look, so I'm not sad about it. And plus you could find like earrings and stuff from Forever 21 for like really, really cheap, but getting these from Loft, I know that they're made of a kind of better material and they're kind of heavy. They don't make my ears hurt, which I really, really appreciate because some earrings really bother my ears. So these are a good find for me and I hope you guys snag some too. Okay guys, let's talk about my makeup favorites lately. I got BoxyCharm about 2 months ago and I'm a makeup fanatic. I freaking love makeup. And so I tried a couple things out and then I did the Ulta holiday sale kind of thing, the Black Friday sale online. So I got a couple things from that and I posted on my TikTok like the full haul that I got. But I finally got to try out the products and there's some that I love and some that I hate. So the first thing that I'm loving right now is the Naked Heat palette. This is not new, you guys know. I got it for $24 instead of $50 and I actually really, really like the colors. They're definitely more browns and warms. So if you guys aren't really into that, then I would pass this up. But if you have brown eyes or like green eyes, oh my god, this palette is stunning. I wish there was a little bit more versatility in it because you can only really get 1 or 2 looks from it. But, you know, I'm not sad about it. It's like my now everyday palette and it's not too bulky. But the other palette I want to talk about is the Warrior by Juvia's Place. As you can see, Taya got to it. I'm a great mom. I leave makeup on the counter thinking that my puppy is not big enough to get up there, but she is now. So ignore that. So I have a love-hate relationship with this palette. This is the first palette by Juvia's Place that I have tried, and I had very, very, very high expectations for it because, you know, everyone talks about them on TikTok, and there's this girl I follow that like swears by their formula. So I got the Warrior by Juvia, and they're just a bunch of like browns, and like there's 3 mattes and the rest of them are metallics or shimmers or whatever you want to call them. I love the shimmers. They're literally butter. I am absolutely obsessed with them. And these two matte colors aren't that bad. This one really doesn't show up on my skin tone. But this one is awful. It doesn't blend. It's super chalky. I'm very upset about that. Just kind of wanted to warn you guys. I got it for $12 instead of $20. So I did get a sale on that. But, you know, whatever. And the last thing I got from the Black Friday sale was the IT brushes by Ulta. It is the foundation brush, and honestly, I will never go back to a beauty blender after this. It is so smooth on my skin. It is such a good, well, I got it for such a good price. Hopefully you guys can snag one for a good price too, but this changed the game. This is everything. My beauty blender ain't shit anymore. Why am I like flicking this around? I have the Jeffree Star Beauty Blender, and it's just not what I expected it to be. Like, it's really not that good, so I'm kind of bummed about that, but whatever. Jeffree Star is canceled, whatever. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara. Bro, I have been using this like Revlon or L'Oreal mascara for like the past 3 years. I have never changed it up. I'm really in love with it. But I got this in my BoxyCharm, and oh my god, this thing is fantastic. It is so good. The applicator is pretty thick, and it's really, really heavy. Super heavy. It's waterproof. It changed the game for me. I 10 out of 10 recommend the Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara. Yes. The last makeup item I'm going to talk about is my Morphe Stick Contour. I got this on Morphe.com a little while ago. This thing is my holy grail now. I can contour my nose now. Never been able to do that. But swipe this thing in your areas and your chin and all that. It looks amazing. And sometimes if I want an even darker bronze, I will use like my contour powder over it. But that thing is sick. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Okay guys, let's talk about my favorite part of this little mini haul. I wouldn't say mini because there's a million things in it, but it's fine, which is clothes, and I'm so excited. Let's talk about tops first. We'll move into outerwear, we'll get into pants, and then we'll get into shoes because I have a little bit of everything to talk about. So let's first talk about tops. I'm wearing two of my favorite pieces right now. I got this really cute, it's a kind of like a turtleneck underneath it. It's from Loft. I think I got it for like $7 or $8. Super, super obsessed with it. You can wear it with t-shirts, you can wear it with like a dress, you can wear it with basically anything. And then I have this cute t-shirt dress. It looks just black and plain from the front, but the back of it is Rolling Stones, and it's super, super cute. I got it from Nastygal. A lot of these pieces are from Nastygal, and I shopped during a big sale. So something to keep in mind is you don't have to wait till Black Friday for all of these items. If you're someone that wants to snag a good deal, you can always just snag it when the sales kind of pop up, because like Francesca's always has like 50 to 70% off here and there, and it'll be like 40% for a long time, then all of a sudden it'll hop up. So just keep an eye out. You don't have to just wait till Black Friday. So obsessed with these two pieces. I think layering them together, it keeps me really warm. The turtleneck is pretty thick, which I love, so I can really wear it with anything and it'll keep me a little bit more snug. Alright, so while we're talking about Nastygal, I want to talk about this really cute star blazer that I got. It is oversized, and it does say oversized in the description. I got it on sale, and then I got an additional discount on that. And the only regret I have is I wish I sized down instead of sizing up, because it is a little bit big on me. But it's so cute. You could wear it with like leggings and a cute shirt, or you could wear it with a dress. You can really dress up anything with it, and I just love star print. So definitely obsessed with this. Thank you, Nastygal, for this new staple in my wardrobe. While we're on the trend of Nastygal, let's talk about this really cute top I got. I use cute way too much. I gotta think of a different word. Boho chic? I don't know. But it is a little bit cropped. It is made of that knit material, so it's not too warm, but it will keep you warm. It's got these little fringes on it, so the motion of this is just so cute. I bought it for like photo shoots, and you know, I was thinking like high-waisted flare jeans or something and a hat. I think it would be so trendy. I just love it. I wish I got it in like black or something, but I wanted to try a different color out, which you guys know I only really wear black and white, so don't know why I did that, but it's okay because it's really cute and I'm really happy with it. I got two bodysuits from Altered State. They're both really cute, very lightweight, but super cute for holiday. This one I think is a little bit more casual. I love the print on this. It's pretty open in the front. It's got nice bell sleeves, but they're not long. And it was on sale for $29.99, but I got it with an additional discount on it. And I love Altered State. I love the quality of their products. So this one was a huge plus for me. I'm thinking with like maybe high-waisted leggings. I'm going to get to those in a second. Or like a long skirt or something. I just think it's really pretty and not too formal, but not too casual. The other bodysuit I think is so cute for any holiday event. It is open in the front, so it's a little bit more risque, but you could wear like a bralette under it, or just leave it open and wear like long necklaces and be that bitch. But you know, I'm thinking with like any colored pants would be really cute. I got these paper bag pants that are pink that might be cute with it. I'm not really sure, but I love the sleeves. I think they're so festive for the holidays, and I'm just a big fan. The only thing about this is that the clasp on the bottom, if you have a longer torso like I do, this might not be the best. If you go your current size, I would recommend sizing up in it because it doesn't give you very much room to clasp it at the bottom without giving yourself a wedgie. So that's just my opinion. But if you're like under 5'7", you should be fine. That's my thought. And then another item that I don't have with me right now because I've worn it way too much and it's actually in the washing machine is my Spanx leather leggings. And you guys know I am a girl shopping for a budget deal, and I could not get myself to buy $100 leggings, but your girl did it, kinda. On Black Friday, I got these for $78. Two of my bosses at work wear them, and they literally swear by them, so I had to finally get them on Black Friday. So I definitely think they're worth the price. I can see myself wearing these for years. If you're trying to look hot for a date, these are the leggings to wear, and then you can pair them off with some booties and like a cute blouse, and I'm obsessed with them. I always get compliments when I wear them. They make my booty look good, and they've replaced basically any pair of pants that I wear. So I'm not too sad about the money. It was a hit, but it's a good hit. It's fine. I'm okay with it. I made my peace, especially with the amount of times I've worn them already. I think it's going to be worth it. Alright, I got two pairs of shoes for you for a very good price. I'm very excited about these. These are also from Belk. The first pair I'm going to show you guys are these knee-high suede kind of boots. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. They're really comfortable. I've been able to wear these for like 4 or 5 hours at a time, and my feet really don't hurt that much, which is a huge plus when it comes to booties. I just love them. I think that they're perfect. You can't go wrong with them. And as you guys saw in like my fall favorites video, I bought a pair of snakeskin knee-high boots, and I absolutely love them. I don't really like thigh-high boots because they slide down, but with my knee-high boots, I really haven't had that problem, so I'm very excited about these. I got them for $20 at Belk. And then, obsessed with my Belk shopping. I never knew Belk had cute items, but I got these boots for $24 online at Belk. They kind of have like a tapered square heel. Super cute, super trendy. I had to size up in these, but it's not too bad. I just wear fluffy socks with them because I didn't have my size. But I love them. I'm going to wear them to a holiday party for my friend's engagement party, so I'm very excited. I've been waiting to wear them. So these are definitely a huge staple piece in my closet this winter. I love that the boot is more squared and not pointed because I'm not a pointed heel kind of girl. That ain't me. Alright guys, I think that is it. I had a great time chatting with you guys today. It has been a great time per usual. It would mean the absolute world to me if you would subscribe down below and follow along for any of these videos. I'm always posting fashion on a budget, ideas for gifting, things like that. So my gift guide will be coming out after Christmas. I always do that, I know. But the one from last year is up, and it's been picking up some speed. So if you guys are looking for gifts, I will link that down below. I hope you guys are having a great holiday season. I will see you guys next week for another video, and I think that's it. Bye guys!